How's it going, guys? Justin Savage here with MarineMax Venice. We are standing aboard a brand new Sea Ray 290 SDX that we have here in the showroom. This boat is available and it has a lot to offer. So starting here on the transom, you have twin Mercury 250 Verados, and this is a joystick capable boat. As you move in, you can see here there are nice two long loungers here on the backside when you're sitting off at a sandbar or anchored out anywhere. This is a great spot to sit, kick your feet up for the day. As you move in, you can see there is a ton of seating in this boat, and there's a ton of storage in this boat. The largest being right here on the back. So here, all lined. This is a great spot for all your life jackets, fenders, any kind of blow up flotation devices or anything that you want to have for your day out on the water or a sandbar. This keeps away all the clutter inside the boat, so this is a great spot to keep all the stuff that you need out for a day on the water. As this one's set up, nice teak table, nice big L-shaped seating. You have a Kenyan cooktop and a Dometic refrigerator here with a nice freshwater sink. As you move forward, like I said, tons of seating in this boat. If it's just you and the significant other, you kind of have side seating here, or you can flip this and create a lounge. You can do the same here on your captain's chair, so everyone's in the same conversation while you're out anchored out on the water. As I touched base on, this is a joystick capable boat, so you have that sitting there as well, right behind all your throttle. Nice big Simrad display. Every switch is labeled, so there's no question on what you're turning on and what you're turning off. Here on the port side of the boat, you have a nice large head area with a vacuum flush toilet. Plenty of headroom. There is a light that you can turn on in there, so you can see while you're climbing in. And as you work your way up to the bow, the SDX is a great boat because it's kind of like their hybrid deck boat. And when I say that, you'll see that this is a large squared off front end rather than your traditional bow. This kind of gives you that extra person for seating. So you can sit up here, you have a nice armrest. There is a table that you can pop in right there. So you have your own space up here in the boat, or you can have your own space back in the cockpit. As I mentioned, this is in our showroom. Stop on by, come check it out. My name is Justin Savage. Again, come see me. Let me know. Thanks.